Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Bruce's Box Breaks. Tonight we're doing a 12-13 rookie anthology. It's break number 29, and the team that we're showing here will be the Winnipeg Jets. And as you can see, that's sold at 1957 Eastern. eBay time here, refreshed, is 1718 Pacific and 2018 Eastern, and of course it's it's 2118 here in Nova Scotia. We'll go with our randomizers. Now this will be the last break that I'm going to offer the free team for a little while. Reasoning being is I'm getting in some 11-12 rookie anthology, and I'm thinking of marrying the two boxes together and offering 11-12, 12-13 boxes for the break broken together. So I'll go with that, work with that, see how that works, and go from there. So as always, here's a list of all the NHL teams, all 30 of them, and we're going to randomize those 4 times. So I'll just go back here a bit. The first one is Florida on top. Second is New York Rangers. I'll just bring that up there a little bit. And third, Columbus Blue Jackets. And the NHL team that will be free next time is dun, da, 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 New York Rangers. So that's your free team for next break, which will be Sunday night, by the way. It's uploading now. At least I hope it is. Having more problems than enough with all this stuff. So, and here's a list of everybody that's involved tonight. Angela N. 1826 has lots of teams. NS Framer 33 has lots of teams, plus his free team. So let's let's randomize that 4 times and see where we're at. Okay. On top for the first one is NS Framer 33. NS Framer 33 is on top, number 2. Number 3 is NS Framer. Wow. Are you going to do it? Oh, Angela N. 1826 is on top, and as you can see, that's 4 times. So congratulations, Angie. You get New York Rangers in the next break for free. Alrighty then. Now all that stuff out of the way, let's get to the break. Oh, just let me unplug here. Okay, so we have Big John. Welcome back, John. Thanks for sticking in there. And mostly repeat people. Look at that, free. Jeff, you're back. Congratulations for coming back. Or thank you for coming back, I guess. I won't say congratulations yet, but hopefully I will be able to. I just done my titanium, and the last pack I said, oh, I guess I'll just pull out this will be game worn gear. I said, oh, wouldn't it be nice if it was out of 15, nice prime patch. And it was. And I won't say unfortunately it was for Boston, but it's a Tuukka Rask card, very nice, out of 15. So here we go, rookie anthology break number 29, serial number NE19059250. Okay, so let's swing some light around here. and find our box, which says 190592950. So there you have it. The box is still intact, number 29. I mark them all, that just so I can keep track of what's what, I guess. Oh, the Bruins just scored. That's nice. Usually I don't put the TV on because I tend to get distracted, but I just see they scored. Johnny Boychuk took a hit into the boards, and geez, they took him off in a stretcher, so hopefully he's going to be okay. We can't afford to lose another defenseman, and you know, that always sucks when that happens. There's Prism. Empty box. So let's just fix a few of those up there, and here we go. Good luck, everyone. I think it'll be kind of neat to have 11, 12, and 12, 13. Jesus, that's still. I gotta fix this. I don't like the way that is. Okay, here we go. We've got legacies for the Toronto Maple Leafs with Samps JH. We've got Johnny Bauer, and that's numbered out of 961 out of 999. And that's the Toronto Maple Leafs. So congratulations on the first hit. Uh-oh, here's a thick one. That'll be game-worn gear for the Buffalo Sabres and AT&T phones for less. We've got Robin Renger. Sweet. And that's a nice big seam in that. And that's not numbered. Not that I can, oh yes it is, right in the corner there. Thought they were. I gotta get my lights right here too. That's 1 out of 50. And that's for Buffalo again. Congratulations. And for Buffalo again, we've got Ryan Miller, Vezina Contenders. Try that. And that's numbered 210 out of 999. So AT&T phones for less. 2. And Samps 1. Can't find it. Samps SJH, or Samps JH, I guess it is. Alright, well, that one's too thick. We'll wait for that one. Hope everybody's getting in the Christmas spirit. They're playing all kinds of Christmas music around and stuff, so there you go. So, for the Detroit Red Wings and NS Framer 33, we've got Riley Sheehan. Elite Rookies, numbered 904 out of 999. And that's for Detroit. And we've got cup contenders, or heart contenders rather, for Samps JH again for the Washington Capitals. We got Alex Ovechkin, number 75 out of 999. And of course that's Washington. And for the Minnesota Wild, we got JNC cards. Mikko Koivu. So, told you I'd say congratulations, Jeff. Game worn gear. There you go. For Minnesota. And we've got a base pack. Sometimes that happens, but now we'll find a pack that's got 2 hits in it. So 6 of one, half dozen of another. Oatmeal mush and all that stuff. So here's your pack that has the 2 hits. We've got Cup Contenders, Nazem Kadri for the Leafs, and that is Samps JH. You guys are cleaning up here. 677 out of 999. And that's of course for Toronto. And for Detroit, we got Chris Chelios, game worn gear. And of course Detroit is NS Framer 33. And there's your Chelios, game worn gear. 2 packs left. A thick one and a thick one. What are we going to do about that? Open them. Okay. So this one has 2 hits also. For the Montreal Canadiens, we've got PK Subban, number 362 out of 500. Great Outdoors. That's Montreal. Montreal is Angela N. Geez, my mouth ain't working tonight. 1826. And for Angela N. 1826, we also have New York Islanders, Matt Donovan. And this is a rookie silhouette auto. Nice patch there, if you can see that. Part of the circle. Outside of the circle. Nice. Congratulations, Ange. You done well. You bought lots of teams, so I guess the more you buy, the more you get sometimes. Very nice. So this one should be the Rookie Treasures, I think. I did have a box that didn't have one in it. And we've got Mike Connolly for the Avalanche, and that's Angela N. 1826. Rookie Treasures. 114 out of 699. And that's for Colorado. And I'll just show you with the New York Islander one. I missed that it was 3 of 25, so very nice. Congratulations. I had a nice Chara one last week, which was a patch. Not auto, but it's a patch. And we'll go with the Prism pack. So for Vancouver Canucks, Angela N. I don't know why I want to say Ann. 1826. You got Corey Schneider for Vancouver, and we've got a red rookie card, JT Brown for the Lightning, and that is Angela N. 1826, and that is numbered out of 50. 26 out of 50, JT Brown. And just to keep the pack going for Angela N. 1826, we got a rookie card of Aaron Ness for the New York Islanders. So, there you have it. Well, Angela N., you cleaned up with a few others. The hits weren't all that spread out tonight. So here we go. We'll do a recap. Toronto, Buffalo, Buffalo, Detroit, Washington, Minnesota, Toronto, Detroit, Montreal, Islanders, I'll show that, that's a nice card, Avalanche, Canucks, Tampa Bay, and New York Islanders. So there you have it. So like I said, Sunday night will just be a regular night with Titanium and Rookie Anthology 2012-13, and then my next break after that I should be doing the 2 years of Rookie Anthology 11-12 and 12-13. Also, I may have some limited, and I may have some certified. We'll have to see. So anyway, until then, enjoy and happy bidding.